Fail safes, no one likes them. You got to do whatever you can to kind of prevent them. And today we're going to be looking at the T16 and finding out why I kind of need your help. G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, we're going to be doing a bit of a quick video. It's kind of got two main parts to it. First, some investigation. I need some data off you. And then next, we're going to look at the fine-tuned frequency mode inside my Jumper T16. Now, why am I bringing this up? Normally, it wouldn't be an issue. I've been flying around for a long time. I can't stand fail-safes. Luckily, I don't really get them too often with good antenna placement, all that sort of stuff. But I've jumped over to the T16, and I don't know if mine is failing. I feel like I'm getting more fail-safes. I've had two models that have just completely fell out of the sky recently in places where I normally wouldn't get that kind of dropout. And I want to know, am I just getting unlucky, or is there something wrong with my T16? Is my T16 failing? And it's really easy to make assumptions and say sort of stuff based off one unit or one thing. But I want to know, with your help, if you've got a T16 out there, a little poll should pop up. Are you getting more fail safes than usual? And you're not using the module in the back, because most people aren't going to even notice this. If they've got a crossfire in the back, they're probably not going to be noticing it whatsoever. I'm talking specifically about the module in the T16, and this is where I need your help to collect this sort of data, where if you've got the T16 and you're using the internal module, are you getting more fail safes than usual? Yes or no? And please don't answer that poll if you don't actually have a T16, because I don't want to skew the results. But anyway, if that is the case, what I'm going to be also doing and showing you guys today is a little feature that's kind of cool, which is our frequency fine tune. So you can see on here, I've been mucking around. It's bound up to my little drone right here. In a moment, what we're going to do, we're going to plug this in, and this frequency fine tune allows you to, believe it or not, fine tune the frequency that this is pumping out so it matches that exact receiver. And you can fail safe, go away. Here we go. You can either scroll this up. Normally it's going to be on 0 when you get yours, and you can make it positive or you can make it negative. So what we're going to do, we're going to find the absolute maximum that it's still got within range, and we can still arm our quad. And then we're also going to take it down to the absolute negative. Then we're going to kind of find the number that's in between those two. Now, I've done a bit of testing. This one's pretty close. So for you, it might be different though, because everybody's radio is going to be a little bit different, and it's just going to be a way that you can maximize or try to get the best reception and not get some fail safes, because that's kind of what I've been getting, and I'm hoping to try to eliminate that. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'm going to take my drone over there so it's not sitting on top of my radio. Bear with me. Right, so we're going to go all the way down until we essentially, and hopefully this is in shot in the roof cam, till we lose our telemetry or our signal. And I also like to check that I can arm it.
Telemetry lost.
Ooh. Okay, so 45 is too low. Let's try 40. 39.
Telemetry recovered.
Alright. Okay, so I can get it at 39, negative. Let's go positive. Can we have it at 50? We still have it at 50. Let's try 55.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Okay, so we've got it at 48, and I think it was minus 39. Now the average, but what you want to do is plus those two numbers together, then divide it by 2 to find the average. So let me just do that with my calculator instead of using my brain like most people. So we were minus 39 plus, what was it, 48 equals 9, divide by 2. Alright, so I need to set mine for my optimum range at about 4.5. So there we go. So I've got mine at 4, and essentially we've fine-tuned this frequency. Now this can range wildly depending on how your internal module unit is going to be working. So for some, I've seen some out up to like 50 units away or something like that. So definitely it's something to be worth doing. Just a little tip that might help some of you guys out there. Nobody wants to get a fail-safe, lose a model, anything like that, or crash into somebody. They can kind of be disastrous. I know this wasn't a review video or anything like that as well, but look, this is just a short information video that hopefully if it can help one person out there and save their model and all that sort of stuff, then this is definitely worth it. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related content, and remember, please help me. If you've got a T16, jump up there and hit that poll so I can find out and make a better decision. Is there something wrong with mine? Why am I getting fail safes? Is mine failing, or is it a wider issue? I'd love to investigate that more before kind of making a call. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy fine tuning and happy flying.